The scientific discoveries of the past century have provided us with tremendous insight into the universe, health, and medicine. We now have an awareness of the great importance that energy and the unseen forces play in this world. As Nobel Prize winner Professor Carlo Rubbia states, matter is less than a billionth part of manifest in the universe. The rest is energy fields interacting in space according to the law of intelligence, resonance phenomena, and creating information fields. This demonstrates that everything emits wave energy, and human beings are no exception. Yet there still remains the question, how do we measure and analyze these hidden fields? The answer lies in a scientific instrument created at the turn of the 20th century by famed Austrian physicist Ernst Lecher. As the head of the first Institute of Physics in Vienna, now known as the Max Planck Institute, Lecher created an apparatus that accurately measured the wavelength and frequency of electromagnetic fields. This instrument, known as the Lecher instrument, is the main scientific tool used for the qualitative detection of energy fields and is often called the best scientific secret of our days. Its usefulness not only lies in the ability to detect energy fields, but also in calibrating all aspects of the electromagnetic frequencies that each person, object, remedy, and medication emits. Beyond this, the Lecher instrument is the only instrument which can detect both resource or yin centripetal energy and management, or yang centrifugal energy. No other tool can detect both fields. The Lecher instrument has been shown to be extremely useful in numerous applications, but none more valuable to humanity than its most recent application, to the world of medicine. Its practicality for such uses as qualitative analysis of medication, compatibility testing, energy balancing, complete evaluation of health, and providing patient-specific programs of treatment make it a comprehensive tool paving the way to a new paradigm of medicine.